So we'll start our lecture. So enthalpy of atomic and molecular changes. So yesterday we had discussed about how the enthalpy change occurs whenever the fusion process takes place, or enthalpy change during fusion process and change in enthalpy during the vaporization process. So today we'll discuss about this parameter, and in this category we'll see first the enthalpy of ionization. First part, that is enthalpy of ionization. Ionization. So to understand the meaning of the change in enthalpy during ionization, you must know what is the meaning of ionization process. So we have already studied what is the meaning of ionization process. The separation of ions, we can say, okay, separation of ions from the molecules. Okay, so enthalpy of ionization, it is the enthalpy change accompanying the removal of an electron from 1 mole of gaseous atom. So what we can say that क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, the change in enthalpy. Okay, so this is the change in enthalpy, how much enthalpy change occurs during when 1 mole of ion, when 1 mole of gaseous atom, when 1 mole of gaseous atom, when 1 mole of gaseous atom, gaseous atom lose electron. Okay, so lose electron, lose electron. Okay, so once again we'll discuss. So what is that change in enthalpy? How much is the change in enthalpy that occurs when 1 mole of gaseous atom, okay, 1 mole of any gaseous atom, when it is losing electron, जब भी वो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है, ओके, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन उसको लूज करने के लिए कितना, how much amount of enthalpy change it requires. Okay, that is called as the enthalpy of ionization, called as the enthalpy of ionization. So for example we can say that sodium ion, okay, sodium ion or sodium gas in gaseous state, when it is losing its one of the electron and it becomes a electropositive in nature. Okay, अगर मान लो ये सोडियम गैस है and it is losing one of its electron, so and it is forming ions. So हमें पता है कि metals क्या होता है generally, that is electropositive in nature. So we'll write down that Na plus in the gaseous state and plus electron. So it has removed one electron. Okay, it has removed one electron from 1 mole of gaseous atom. So this is one gaseous atom, sodium gaseous atom, and it is right now losing its electron. Okay, one electron, and how much amount of enthalpy change, that is called as a del ionization H. Okay, so how we'll read this, कैसे पढ़ेंगे हम लोग इसको, how much change in enthalpy, delta H is a change in enthalpy for which process, ionization process. Okay, तो ये एटम है, सोडियम का एटम है, when it is losing one of its electron, how much enthalpy change. Okay, how much enthalpy change, so that is given by delta H ionization is 494, value is 494, it is kilojoule per mole. Okay, kilojoule per mole. This all enthalpy changes we are writing in terms of kilojoule per mole. Okay, so this much is the value. So this equation signifies when 1 mole of gas phase atomic sodium is ionized, okay, to gas Na plus ions. तो देखो सोडियम का नेचर क्या हो, सोडियम मेटल है एंड मेटल्स आर हैविंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दैट इज दे आर इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव इन नेचर, इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव नेचर होते हैं, वो लूज करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को. ओके, सो दैट यू हैव स्टडीड इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड. So the same amount of heat would be required to ionize 1 mole of sodium atom. Now consider that it has lose electron. Okay, how much change in enthalpy, this change in enthalpy is 494 kilojoule per mole. और आप देख सकते हो ये amount of जो energy है, energy change for a system is what, oh, we can say positive. Okay, यहाँ पे positive नहीं लिखा तो भी ये symbol आगे क्या रहेगा, यहाँ पे positive रहेगा. Okay, now we'll see when electron gain enthalpy. Okay, whenever this electron is acquired by another different ion. Okay, sub consider that suppose chlorine ने ये electron gain कर लिया, so how much amount of change in enthalpy, okay, during the gain of electron. So the electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so we'll write down the next electron gain enthalpy. यही पे लिखता हूँ मैं electron gain enthalpy now. Electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. So just now we found what the enthalpy change during the ionization process when it is losing its electron. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने इसलिए word use किया है that it is losing the electron. Okay, and whenever now this electron is gained by some different ion. Okay, so consider that the example um, chlorine. Okay, example is that chlorine which is in the gaseous state is now acquiring. Okay, it is now gaining this electron. Okay, so it is now gaining this electron. Okay, so it will form a Cl minus. Okay, Cl minus. Non-metals are mostly electronegative in nature. Okay, so non-metal like chlorine, so Cl minus in a gaseous state. And now delta, what we can say, electron gain enthalpy. Okay, क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे, electron gain enthalpy. So how much enthalpy change when the 1 mole of gaseous atom it is gaining electron. Okay, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे already मैंने define किया हुआ है. Same definition you can write down. Instead of losing electron you will replace this word with the help of gaining the electron. Okay, so gaining the electron, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप chlorine is gaining the electron and it is forming Cl minus ion. So delta change in enthalpy during electron gaining. Okay, how you will write out it? How you will write it? Delta EGH. What is the meaning? How you will read it? Change in enthalpy during the electron gain. Okay, change in enthalpy during electron gain, and this is given by minus 349. 349. It is kilojoule per mole. Okay, so this is the value for electron gain enthalpy and that is in minus. Okay, ये minus में है. Okay, so we can say that system में heat क्या हो रही है, release हो रही है बाहर. Okay, surrounding. So minus sign. So this is about the enthalpy. Now next is second part is enthalpy of atomization. Second is what? Enthalpy of atomization. Enthalpy of atomization we'll see. So this is the enthalpy of ionization. Second we'll see enthalpy of atomization. Enthalpy of atomization. Atomization. Enthalpy of atomization. Okay, so can be written as delta atomization, a change in enthalpy during the atomization process. So what is atomization process? The enthalpy change that is accompanying the dissociation of 1 mole of gaseous substance into atoms. Okay, suppose dissociation, I will write down here, dissociation of 1 mole of 1 mole dissociation of 1 mole of gaseous substance 1 mole of gaseous substance 1 mole of gaseous substance into atoms. Okay, so for this process, for which process? For dissociation of 1 mole of gaseous substance into atoms, how much is the change in enthalpy? How much is the change in enthalpy? Okay, I will write down it here. Change in enthalpy during which process? During the dissociation of 1 mole of gaseous substance into atom. तो कितनी amount of जो energy or how much amount of change in enthalpy is it takes. Okay, that is given by delta H atomization. Okay, that is given by delta H atomization. So for understanding this we will write down the example of Cl2. Okay, Cl2 gas is now changing into the atoms. Okay, is now changing into atoms. That is 1 atom of chlorine gas plus 1 atom of once again a chlorine gas. Okay, split हो गया है. So Cl2, this is 1 mole of a gaseous substance. Okay, Cl2 is split into atoms of chlorine. Okay, atoms of chlorine. And how much amount of enthalpy change during this is what? Change in enthalpy during the atomization, and right now the value is 242 kilojoule per mole. 242, it is kilojoule per mole value for chlorine atom. Okay, again example we can see CH4 example. Okay, CH4 methane gas. CH4 methane gas when it gets dissociate, वो dissociate हो रही है into carbon, okay, gaseous atom, and 4H hydrogen atoms. Okay, 4 hydrogen atoms in its gaseous state. So change in enthalpy during the atomization, change in enthalpy during atomization is 1660 kilojoule per mole. 1660, that is kilojoule per mole. So have a look at this. What is that? Enthalpy of atomization. Atomization, it is dissociation. Dissociation, it is what? Dissociation into atoms. Okay, उसका नाम ही है. Enthalpy of atomization is what? Dissociation of the mole of gaseous substance. एक substance है उसको हमने dissociate किया किसमें? Atoms में. And you can have a look at here. Chlorine Cl2 gas is now split into what? Cl gas plus Cl gas. तो इसको स्प्लिट करने के लिए, इसको डिसोसिएट करने के लिए कितनी अमाउंट ऑफ एंथैल्पी, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ एंथैल्पी इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू है वो क्या है, दोनों भी पॉजिटिव है. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस कैन बी पॉसिबल व्हेन द सम heat is added into the system. Okay, so change in enthalpy you are observing it as a positive. आप देख सकते हो change in enthalpy यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, पॉजिटिव आ रहा है. Okay, so this is about the enthalpy of atomization and the enthalpy of ionization. Okay, I hope that you have understood what is the meaning of enthalpy of ionization. Okay, enthalpy of ionization and electron gain enthalpy. Here electron lose enthalpy. Okay, enthalpy lose हो रही है, यहाँ पे electron lose हो रहा है. Okay, so now the next is we'll see what is the enthalpy of a solution. Enthalpy of a solution. Enthalpy of a solution. So we'll discuss about now enthalpy of solution. When any solid is forming a solution, how much change in enthalpy that occurs? Okay, that is given by the term enthalpy of solution. So enthalpy of solution, enthalpy of solution, enthalpy of solution is given by delta for a solution H. How much change in enthalpy occurs when it forms a solution? When it forms a solution. So enthalpy of a solution is what? Enthalpy change in a process. Okay, enthalpy change. This is what? Enthalpy change. How much is the enthalpy changes? Enthalpy change. Enthalpy change occurs in a process when 1 mole of substance, when 1 mole of substance, when 1 mole of substance, when 1 mole of substance is dissolved in a specified amount of solvent, is dissolved in solvent. Okay, specified or dissolved in any solvent. Okay, so how much change in enthalpy occurs when any substance, when consider 1 mole of a substance, कोई mole of substance है वो dissolve होता है. Okay, any solvent में. Okay, and you know about what is solute and what is solvent. So when it is dissolved in a solvent, how much enthalpy changes? And that is given by the change in enthalpy during its formation of a solution. Okay, during formation of its solution. So we'll look at this with the help of an example. Consider a substance, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a substance, NaCl, in its solid state. Solid state में है वो aqueous solution के साथ, that is solvent के साथ वो dissolve हो रहा है. So it is forming NaCl, aqueous solution. Okay, NaCl aqueous solution. So during this process, how much is the enthalpy change? That is given by delta H for a solution, formation of solution delta H, and it is value is 4 kilojoule per mole. Okay, ये value याद रखो, 4 kilojoule per mole. So sodium chloride is a substance when it is dissolved in a solvent. When it is dissolved in a solvent, it forms aqueous solution NaCl, and to carry out this process from conversion of its solid or from solid, when it is dissolved into a particular solvent, it creates a solution, and in that process, the change in enthalpy to form a solution, it takes 4 kilojoule per mole amount of change in enthalpy that occurs. Okay, so an ionic compound, so any ionic compound, when it is dissolved, when it is dissolved in the solvent and it forms a solution, so generally it takes a two steps actually. Okay, वहाँ generally क्या होता है, two steps होता है. So what is that two steps? This substance, firstly it will split into ions. Okay, उनका dissociation होगा firstly. Okay, it will split into ions. Okay, suppose Na plus and Cl minus ions होगा. And what is the second step? What is the second step? When that ions will now hydrated. Okay, वो hydrate हो जाएंगे किसमें, water में, उस aqueous solution में. समझ में आया? So right now we have just written in a simple way we have written this reaction, that is NaCl in a solid state when it is form or when it is dissolved in a solvent. Okay, it will form an aqueous solution. But actual में क्या होता है, ये जो process है, that takes place in a two steps. So what is that first step? First step is what? Dissociation. First step is what? A ions are separated. Okay, so ionic compound dissolve. So I will write down here ionic compound, ionic compound, ionic compound like this NaCl. Okay, जो ions form कर सकते हैं. Okay, so ionic compound dissolves in water. They dissolves in water. They dissolve in water. They dissolve in water in a two steps. Okay, so what is the very first step? So the first step is ions are separated. आप देख सकते हो सोडियम क्लोराइड में से आयन सेपरेट हो जाएंगे. Okay, suppose Na plus and Cl minus. In this way, a separation of ion. Okay, so I will write here. The first step is what? A separation of ion from a molecule. Okay, separation of ion from molecule. From molecule. So क्या होगा सबसे पहले, ions will get separate, ions will get separate from the molecule, from the molecules ions will separate. Okay, so in a general term, in a general example we can write it as, suppose mx is any substance. Okay, any molecule. Okay, which is in a suppose solid state. So how it will split, it will split into mg plus, that is in suppose gaseous state, and plus x minus. Okay, x minus in a gaseous state. So what we have written, the formation or when dissolution of water. Okay, dissolution in water, in any ionic compound when it is dissolved in water. So first step is what? The separation of ions. उनका क्या होता है? Separation of ions होता है. So like NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, so for generalized equation we have taken Mx, that is in a solid state, when it is dissolved in water, it will first separate into ions like the M. Yes, M plus in a gaseous state, M plus in a gaseous state, and X minus in a gaseous state. So enthalpy change for this state, how much enthalpy change for this particular step, it is called as the enthalpy change. Okay, for a crystal lattice, enthalpy change for this step is called as a crystal lattice enthalpy. Okay, crystal lattice enthalpy, and which is positive, which is positive in nature, and it is written as delta LH, delta LH. So what is delta LH? It is a change in enthalpy for a crystal lattice. So I am going to write here for a crystal lattice. So this was a crystal lattice. Okay, आप देख सकते हो इसका स्ट्रक्चर, क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर है सोडियम क्लोराइड का. So crystal lattice changes in a enthalpy. Okay, for separation of ions, this is known as a change in enthalpy for a crystal lattice. And for this okay, उसकी वैल्यू हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. ओके, जो भी हम लोग उस कंपाउंड की, ओके, वो वैल्यू लिख सकते हैं. So and this value is a positive. This value is positive. Second step, in second step what will happen? They will get hydrated. अभी जो ions form हो गए बराबर है M plus और X minus. Okay, like Na plus and Cl minus. Now they will get hydrated. Okay. So in second step the ions will get hydrated. Ions will hydrated. Hydrated means what? Now they will dissolve in water. Now they will get hydrated. Okay, with water molecule. Hydrated with water molecule. With water molecule. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ वो क्या हो जाएंगे ना, हाइड्रेटेड हो जाएंगे. सो देखो कौन से आयंस फॉर्म हुए, M प्लस in gaseous state and X minus in the gaseous state. They will get hydrated. So we'll write down M plus in a gaseous state. Okay, so they will get hydrated with X H2O. Amount लिखा हम लोगों ने X times H2O. Okay, define किया. So we can say that now M is the ion, H2O how much times, X times. Okay, X times, and it is suppose forming a positive ions, that is a plus. Okay, plus. And X minus in a gaseous state will hydrated with suppose a Y times the H2O, Y times the H2O. So it will form the X H2O. Okay, so Y times minus ions. So in this way, this is the two-step process. Actually, what we have written right now here, that is enthalpy of a solution. Enthalpy of solution, we had defined that the enthalpy change. Okay, enthalpy change during when one mole of a substance when it is dissolved in a solvent. Okay, so that is actually a two-step process. What is that two-step process? In a first step, what will happen? This uh, substance, this substance will get dissociate, or this substance will get separate into the ions. Ions पहले form होंगे. So आप देख सकते हो general equation I have written Mx in a solid state when it is uh, form their ions. So M plus ions and X minus ions. Now this M plus and X minus ions, now they will get hydrated. Okay, with the water molecule. Water molecule के साथ hydrate करेंगे. So this is also generalized equation we have written M plus. Okay, will when react with or when hydrated with X times the H2O, so we'll get certain okay compound. So the enthalpy change for this step is always negative. Okay, and जो इस स्टेप के लिए जो भी एंथैल्पी जो चेंज हो रहा है, ओके एंथैल्पी जो चेंज हो रहा है वो हमेशा निगेटिव होता है. एंड दिस वी कॉल इट एज अ चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ड्यूरिंग हाइड्रेशन. ओके, हाइड्रेशन, चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ड्यूरिंग हाइड्रेशन. तो फर्स्ट वाली जो क्रिस्टल लैटिस एंथैल्पी वो पॉजिटिव होती है एंड हियर इट इज अ नेगेटिव एंथैल्पी फॉर द हाइड्रेशन. ओके, so this is called as the enthalpy of hydration. Okay, that is called as the enthalpy of hydration बोलते हैं इसको. Okay, यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं. This is what called as a hydration. Hydration and the change in enthalpy during this process when these ions they will get hydrated is called as the change in enthalpy. Okay, for the hydration process. Okay, change in enthalpy for the hydration process when they will get hydrated. Okay, amount of energy will get loose to the surrounding, and that's why the symbol जो आया है वो negative आया है. So I hope that you have understood this, how the enthalpy of solution, actually forming a solution is a two-step process. Okay, so now the enthalpy of solution वी कैन डिफाइन. अब जैसे हम लोगों ने देखो कल डिफाइन किया था, क्या डिफाइन किया था? दैट इज चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ड्यूरिंग फ्यूजन प्लस चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ड्यूरिंग वेपराइजेशन प्रोसेस. बराबर है, डेल्टा एच फॉर फ्यूजन एंड डेल्टा एच फॉर वेपराइजेशन. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू किससे किसके साथ डिफाइन किया था हम लोगों ने? दैट इज इक्वल्स टू द चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ड्यूरिंग सब्लिमेशन प्रोसेस. बराबर है, सब्लिमेशन प्रोसेस में क्या होता है? द सब्सटेंस डायरेक्टली चेंजेस फ्रॉम सॉलिड स्टेट टू वेपर स्टेट. बराबर है, देयर इज नो इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट. लाइक नैप्थेलिन एग्जांपल ले सकते हो, कैम्फर ले सकते हो, और भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स. so these substances that directly changes its state from solid, okay, they will transit their phase from solid directly to the vapor phase. Okay, so but in between क्या phases हो सकते हैं? तो पहले क्या हो सकता है? solid substance will convert into liquid substance, then liquid substance will now change into vapor substance. So we have seen how that delta H for fusion plus delta H for vaporization is equals to delta H for the sublimation process. In the same way we can now define, हम लोग define कर सकते हैं. कैसे define कर सकते हैं? ये देखो first step क्या हुआ, that is delta H for crystal lattice, delta H for crystal lattice, that is formation of the ions, separation of the ions, plus delta H for the hydration process, that will be equals to, we can define, that is delta H for a solution. So we can now write, हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, the enthalpy of a solution, okay, enthalpy of a solution is the sum of crystal lattice enthalpy and enthalpy of hydration. So enthalpy of a solution, change in enthalpy of a solution, we can write the change in enthalpy for crystal lattice, okay, plus change in enthalpy of a crystal lattice, that is delta LH, and delta change in enthalpy for hydration, चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. देखो हम लोग इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं जैसे हम लोगों ने कल चेंज इन एंथैल्पी फॉर सब्लिमेशन लिखा था. सो फॉर सोडियम क्लोराइड, इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम क्लोराइड देखो सोडियम क्लोराइड क्या होगा, if we take the example of sodium chloride, how the two step process that will involve for sodium chloride, it will form Na plus and Cl minus ions, and then this Na plus and Cl minus ions respectively they will hydrated with water molecule, water molecule के साथ वो क्या हो जाएंगे, hydrated हो जाएंगे. So now we'll compare the change in enthalpy, okay, for a solution change in enthalpy. I think we have already written change in enthalpy for a solution is what, 4 kilojoule per mole, okay. So change in enthalpy is for sodium chloride is what, is 4 kilojoule per mole. So we'll write down for NaCl, for NaCl for sodium chloride, the change in enthalpy for crystal lattice, change in enthalpy for crystal lattice is plus 790 kilojoule per mole. This value is 790 kilojoule per mole, and the value is delta for hydration, change in enthalpy during hydration of these molecules, Na plus, okay, and we can say Cl minus, it is given by minus 786, minus 786, it is kilojoule per mole, okay. So these two values we have right now, that is delta LH and delta H, hydration H, okay. So we can now put into this equation to find out delta solution H for sodium chloride, okay, delta LH कितनी वैल्यू है, 790, okay, kilojoule per mole, minus delta change in enthalpy during hydration process is 7, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ओके, माइनस 786, दैट इज किलो जूल पर मोल. तो देखो यहाँ पे माइनस है ये वाली वैल्यू, तो ये 790 माइनस 786, दिस इज नथिंग बट 4 किलो जूल पर मोल. सो डेल्टा, that is change in enthalpy for a solution for NaCl for sodium chloride, कितनी वैल्यू आई, 4 kilojoule per mole. You can now cross check, that value is what, 4 kilojoule per mole for sodium chloride when the substance is dissolved, okay, is in a aqueous solution. When it is dissolved in a solvent, it forms aqueous solution, and during that process change in enthalpy is 4 kilojoule per mole. You can now compare, okay, same आई है. So in this way we have found the value of change in enthalpy for a solution, okay, for NaCl we have got value as 4 kilojoule per mole. समझ में आया सब लोगों को, how we have solved it, कैसे हम लोगों ने solve किया है ये वाला.